Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar. Just find and mark the day. The same situation with the time, just find it in this clock and confirm it by tapping on OK. Here we've got the time zone, so just tap on it. Tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Right here we can also change the time format, so we can either use local default, which is more or less automatic, or we can manually decide. So now we've got the 12-hour format. If you wish to use 24-hour one, just tap on this switcher right here. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.